sir. Welcome to my video presentation. I am Jake Solidad and today I will be discussing an important and timely topic, theories of policing through this presentation. I aim to share key insight, relevant information, and my own perspective on the subject. So sit back and listen closely and join me as I explore and understand more about this topic. The 44th paragraph, security sector reforms, a theoretical approach that seeks to many of themes that have achieved salience in thinking about the police, why they do what they do, and how progress can be. Institutionalized security sector reform, in short, SSR. SSR arose within the international economic, political, and security advocacy and reform community and points to the fundamental political nature and importance of the policing system, which include all state security providers as well as domestic and international non-state security providers. Ang reforma sa sektor ng seguridad, SSR, ay isang komprehensibong paraan upang mapabuti ang bisa at pananagutan ng aparatong panseguridad ng isang bansa. Tinutugunan nito ang politikal na kalikasan ng pagpapatupad ng batas na sumasaklaw sa lahat ng mga aktor sa seguridad na estado at di-estado, kapwa sa loob at sa labas ng bansa. Ang layunin ay upang mapahusay ang seguridad para sa mga mamamayan habang pinangalagaan ng mga karapatang pantao at batas. The 45th paragraph, security provided effectively with the view toward promoting human rights and democratic norms is seen as an essential precondition for achieving and sustaining democracy. Free markets and progress values one assumes are desired by who live within the dominant neoliberal global order, with some reluctant but ultimately volatile handouts. SSR takes a holistic view of how security is achieved and the consequences of the methods whereby it is achieved. Ang epektibong seguridad na nirespeto ng mga karapatang pantao at mga demokratikong prinsipyo ay napakahalaga at pagtatag at pananatili ang demokrasya, malayang pamilya at pagudlad ng lipunan sa umiiral na neoliberal na pandaigdigang kaayusan. Ang reformang sektor ng seguridad, SSR, ay gumagamit ng isang holistic na pananaw. Sinusuri kung paano nakakamit ang seguridad at ang mga bunga ng mga paraang ginagamit. Sinusuri ng SSR ang mga kilos at ugnayan ng mga pwersa ng pulisya ng estado na kaugnayan ng ibang mga ahensya ng seguridad at sibil na lipunan na inilalagay ang mga ito at mas malawak na aspekto ng mga tugon ng lipunan sa pagbabagong pandaigdigang banta sa seguridad. And that concludes my video presentation. I hope you learned something meaningfully. Enjoy watching as much as I enjoy preparing it. Thank you for your time and attention. And once again, I am Jake Solidad.